Chill.
Ma, don't bug me or I'm really gonna say no. You ain't asked their money yet.
She gonna go. She don't
You
care.
don't know that?
She like heights.
No, she don't.
Yes, she do.
Devonna do not like heights.
She sit there straight face.
No.
It don't even bother
She
her.
is not. After right now, then.
Devonna!
She gonna say,
come here.
She gonna say right now that she gonna be just like Michael Jackson on the Jackson 5, freaking out, gonna have to be carried on that thing. That's the only way I'll be on the plane. Y'all gonna have to force me.
That's the plan.
That's not saying yeah sure you're gonna go. That's not force me because I could always just jump out the back door. Go somewhere and just you really don't understand it. I would dip on you.
You ready to get on the plane? You ready to get on the plane? Huh? Whenever. If I get the ticket, you down? Huh? Huh? Maybe. Florida, baby. You ready? 2 hours.
You hear that? Maybe. Not she tough because she been on the plane.
No, I ain't tough. I'm just motivated. I told Devonna, I said, if I can handle this flight, we all going on the trip on the plane. That was my promise, that we all gonna go somewhere nice.
Why we gotta get on the plane though?
Cause it's faster. I just told you it take a whole day to drive to Florida. It only take 2 hours on the airplane.
It's about the experience. Sightseeing. Can't see nothing in the sky.
Yes, you can.
But clouds and things that look like blueprints. That's all you see. Everything look like a farm up in the sky. You ain't noticed that every time I see a picture of somebody on the plane or just from up in the sky, it look like crops just sitting in sections. Like where's your
my
buildings?
poor child, I am so sorry.
Where is everything at?
I'm so sorry.
You can clearly see is ponds, lakes, and oceans.
This is why people had their kids on the plane at like 2.
Exactly, and this is why people started swimming at 2. Oh, look,
exactly.
There's another reason. I'm scared to death.
Just ruined y'all. I'm so sorry, Shell.
Now I can't even get in the water without having a panic attack. Still can't swim. Oh, we get on the boat? Oh, no. Sorry, got a life jacket. You think I won't bring them paranoias with me? Do you really think I won't do that? I would tell them people. Alright, well, I ain't trying to die with the rest of y'all, so I brought my own parachute.